Document ready equivalent without jQuery. I have a script that uses $document ready, but it doesn't use anything else from jQuery. I'd like to lighten it up by removing the jQuery dependency. How can I implement my own document ready functionality without using jQuery? I know that using window onload will not be the same, as window onload fires after all images, frames, etc. have been loaded. There is a standards-based replacement, DOM content loaded, that is supported by over 98% of browsers, though not IE8. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.